Hi everyone, Paul Long here, how to buy a business using an SBA loan. And in this video, we're going to talk about Guarantor Net Worth. What is it we're really looking for when we're looking at a guarantor who's going to buy a business and their net worth? So the first thing we're going to want to look at is, what is the net worth? What is your assets, your liabilities, and of course your equity? That is your net worth. So your assets. What are your personal assets, personal cash, personal retirement? What's your home worth? What are your vehicles worth? What are your rental properties worth if you have them? Do you have other businesses? What are the equity that is within those businesses? Those are your assets. Then you're looking at liabilities. What do you have in credit card debt? What do you have in mortgage debt? What do you have in rental property debt? Student loans, other installment loans, auto loans, all of that is under your liabilities. And so we're going to look at your assets minus your liabilities is going to give us how much equity you have, which is your net worth. We're going to want it to be positive. It happens often where, for example, if you're not a homeowner, you probably have retirement, cash, and maybe some credit card debt, maybe some student loans, but you really want that number to be positive. Having a negative net worth is a challenge. Not saying it's impossible for an SBA loan, but it's definitely a challenge. Everyone asks, well, how much net worth should I have? And to be honest with you, it is such a moving target. Again, because every commercial deal is a snowflake, it's extremely hard for us to answer that question. However, I will say that one of the ways to look at this is, let's say, for example, you want a $2 million loan. You should have at least $1 million in net worth. So that could be equity in a home, cash, retirement, etc. That's just a rule to throw out there to give you something to work with. But again, that's not a specific rule. And again, being a homeowner is ideal because the greatest way to build wealth is through equity in a home. And so it's very, definitely makes the process a lot easier if you are a homeowner. Now, let's say, for example, you have negative net worth, or you are starting out and you just don't have the net worth that maybe an institution is looking for. Look at your parents. Maybe there's a co-signer. Maybe there's investors. Are they willing to sign personal guarantees? Because maybe they have some additional net worth. That is what we're going to be looking at. So hopefully that helps you understand how we're going to look at the net worth for an individual for an SBA loan. Again, you can check out the other videos on this series, paultlong.com, and I look forward to seeing you on the next video.